Second, at Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Now see, the initial temperature of Srinagar was -5 degrees Celsius and it got dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So we will simply subtract -5 from 2. Okay, so we'll write first of all the temperature on Monday. Temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Now what was the temperature of Srinagar on Monday? It was -5 degree Celsius. Okay, now it got dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Now as it was dropped, what we'll do, we'll simply subtract it. Now always remember, if there is a negative sign in front of a number, then we'll always put bracket. Now as per the rules, minus minus is plus, plus minus is minus, minus plus is minus, and plus plus is plus. So we'll use this rule. What does it say? Minus minus is plus. Okay, so we'll add them both. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now what sign we'll put here? We'll see the sign of the greater number among these. Now what is the greater number between 5 and 2? 5. The sign ahead of it is minus, so we'll put -7 degree Celsius. That's the temperature on Tuesday. Okay, now we'll see on Wednesday. What will be the temperature on Wednesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Now as the temperature on Tuesday was -7 degrees Celsius, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. We'll simply add them. Okay, what was the temperature on this day? Temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday, because it was rose by 4 degrees Celsius, what we'll do, we'll add it. -7 plus 4. Again, as minus sign is ahead of it, we'll put brackets. Brackets are necessary. Now minus plus is, let's see the rules. Minus plus is minus. We'll apply them. We'll subtract them. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now again, see what is the greater number among these? 7. Yes. Now what is the sign ahead of it? It's minus. So what will be the temperature on Wednesday? It will be -3 degree Celsius. Okay, -3 degree Celsius on Wednesday and -7 degree Celsius on Tuesday. Answer. Thank you.